Hello! Welcome to DIY is my happy place. I'm Amy, and today we're going to be talking all about how to clean a shower. I know it sounds very elementary, but sometimes you need a few tips and tricks, and it's not going to break the bank. That's my favorite part. And who wants to spend all day scrubbing on a shower? Not me. So I'm going to show you what I learned using household products. If you want to see how to do it, let's have some fun. I have been trying to figure out the best product to get rid of soap scum on shower glass doors, and I have to say I have tried so many products. I don't even want to guess at how much money I've spent, and every single bottle that I buy, everything just says, yes, this is the one. You just need to spray this on, leave it a couple hours, and it wipes clean. Well, this is the look after I had been trying. At one point, I scrubbed in the same spot for like 5 minutes with this, what's supposed to be heavy duty, awesome cleaning. This is after I've scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed, and this is what I got. Not to mention the trays and the very edges. Oh man, just so frustrating. I decided there's gotta be a solution for this. I mean, there just has to be. I went on to YouTube, and I was actually looking to see if anybody could tell me what product works the best. And I came across a few tips and tricks, and I thought I would try it and share with you if it worked. And sure enough, this is the answer. Household products. And you just do it in a certain way, and things will work. So what I did was took an old t-shirt and cut it up into sections, just a few here and there, so that I can use my household products, starting with good old-fashioned vinegar. I actually picked this up at the Dollar Tree, so I'm just telling you, it doesn't have to be those expensive products. To start with, just pour vinegar into a bowl, and then add your washcloths and get them completely submerged in the vinegar. If you pour the vinegar directly or spray it on directly, it won't stay in the correct place long enough to really be effective. So if you do it this way, then you can let the products do the work for you. And this is brilliant. I have done this in the past, so I knew this one. It's the other parts that I'm going to show you that were new to me that helps get it all. But I just wanted to show you an all-encompassing how to get your entire shower clean, lickety-split. So after your t-shirt is submerged in vinegar, wrap it around wherever there's metals and really let it have a lot of vinegar on it. And even in the tray, this was one thing that I've spent so much time trying to get just those edges where the caulking needs to be redone, but you want to get all the grime out of there first. Good old-fashioned vinegar everywhere. And if the vinegar starts to run off, add more vinegar. I actually pushed the cloth right down into the door frame, and I'm going to let it think about things there for at least an hour. So the vinegar, again, is doing the work for me. It's kind of like the house elves coming and doing your work when you're not even there. Now let's clean the glass. This part is, again, household products that I already had on hand. You just take some Dawn dishwashing soap, and for some reason this combination works best with Dawn. It is the dishwashing soap you're going to want to use. Add some baking soda, and as you can see, it's just exact measurements. Not. I'm just creating a paste. That's what we want. And then add some hydrogen peroxide and let the chemicals start to mingle. This is kind of like the old science fair idea. It's very rewarding to stir this up and see it all start to bubble and have the chemical reactions that will just crank out the work for you so you don't have to do it on getting the soap scum off the glass and the grime off the bottom. Now, here's a little pro tip. If you use Crocs, which I do for all my scrubbing and painting and whatnots, I like to keep them in the shower, and then I can come in and out of the shower and I just slip them back off when I'm getting out, and then I don't get all of this all over my feet and then walk across the floors in the bathroom. There's an idea. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is generously apply our combination of cleaning supply, and I mean generously. I actually made 2 or 3 batches of this for my entire shower because it was such a mess, but I just kept on making it so that it had a nice thick coating over every single square inch, both inside and outside of the shower. Then you wait an hour. You don't want to wait too long because then it'll harden up and it's hard to get off. But after an hour, it just starts wiping clean. I definitely like the sponge with the green bristles on the bottom side to help scrub it. And I am just amazed at how easily it came clean. Although I did buy this little gadget that you put on the end of a drill because, again, remember back when I was trying all my different chemicals and I just thought, oh, it's all in the matter of scrubbing. Well, really, you can wipe on this combination, but I already had this, and so I went ahead and used it to get the soap scum off. Not to mention, I left it on for more than an hour until it kind of dried on, so it took a little more elbow grease to get everything off. So don't leave it on more than an hour, and then voila, it will just scrub clean. I cannot even believe it. I worked so many hours, spent so much money, and still couldn't get the thing clean, and then did this silly. Well, it's not silly. It's just home chemicals. What a transformation it can make. Remember the before? Soap scum everywhere in the frame, every inch of this shower. I can't believe it. I was going to knock the whole shower out thinking that it was beyond the point of no return. And I found this little idea and I decided, well, I'll give it a try. If this is the last resort, if this doesn't work, it's going to have to get demoed. And I'm so happy to report that it does in fact work. Now you know. Isn't that awesome? Go ahead. Try it. It's not that tough. You can do it. See you soon.